Hello guys, in today's video is to show you how to transfer your coin from funding to trading so they can sell it instantly. We all know that today is the listing day of WAGMI Hub Airdrop, which is called Info, and this video is to show you how to transfer your coin from your KuCoin funding to trading so I can sell it instantly without wasting time. So my name is Crypto. Please, if you come across my video for the first time, do like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so they can get my next video. And once again, please, if you find this video helpfully, please subscribe and make sure say you turn on your notification. Do not left behind. So once again, so let us locate our KuCoin right now. So this is our KuCoin. You click on it. So what do you need to do? You need to locate your assets. You click on it. So this is our coin, which is on funding. This is funding and this is trading. So what will you need to do? You need to transfer this. You need to transfer this your coin to trading so I can sell it instant, because this funding now you cannot sell it here instantly. So what do you need to do? You need to click on here, this your coin, then you click on it, then you come here with the right deposit, withdraw, transfer. You click on this transfer. You click on transfer. So what you need to do, you need to click on max, then you click on confirm. Automatically is transferred from funding to trading. So you click on trading. As you can see here, this is the coin. So you click on it. So here right now, if they list, you can see the price here and you click on and sell it instantly. So thank you guys for watching.